Hey guys, love, peace, and happiness. The hair guru here. I am making a video on how to bleach your knots. And this gives you a better understanding if you're a newbie and not sure what this means. It's basically on a closure, anything that has lace that your hair is hand tied on, you're gonna see a knot. Anytime there's a knot, there's like a little, it looks like little dots. On the left-hand side of this picture, you'll see once the writing will go away, that is not bleached. On the right-hand side, it's actually mixing literally a bleach mixture that you would get at a beauty supply store, powdered lightener, along with a developer, which I tend to use 40. Everyone does their own, however, mine is 40. And it creates the illusion of a scalp-like appearance. So it gets rid of those dots and makes it look more natural. I'm just here showing you the lace closure, the one that I used. This is a Vivica Fox one. I've never used this one before. It is, I will tell you, it's easy to bleach the knots. However, when I try to lighten the hair a little bit, it is taking quite a while with 40 volume. So here I am. By the way, I am a licensed cosmetologist, and these are just my ideas and what I do. If you have any questions, I would be more than happy to answer them, just giving advice, that's all. And I want to make this mixture here definitely not runny, because the consistency wants to be, once I mix this up, I want this to be a thicker where it does not come off of the color brush, the brush there. And I'll show you in the demonstration here, I want it to get thicker. So I'm probably going to add right here some more powder and get it to a thicker consistency. You're going to pat it on the underside of the lace. You don't want to move it around too much, because when you do, it penetrates to the hair then at that point, and it's really going to lighten the roots is what it does. So this is the consistency I like. Thick, and I'm going to use a patting motion, and I'm going to apply this to the flip side, the underside, all of the lace part right there. Trying to avoid the hair. If any of the hair is out on the sides, you know, you see that. So I'm just going to speed that up and apply it, show you how it's done. Put my finger in it that you're not supposed to. You should wear gloves with this. I am a rebel and I tend not to. And it does sting. If you get this on your hands, it will sting a bit because of the higher volume developer mixed with the powdered lightener. And I like to use 40 volume because 40 volume lightens for me fast, and it's going to lighten up a few levels fairly quick. And I'm just making sure that's all applied. Your best bet with when you work with powdered lighteners and bleach with a higher volume developer, you can actually see developer, which is the liquid, in different volumes, which is, it could be 5 volume, 10 volume, 20, 30, 40, and so on. Different. So I tend to check mine every 5 minutes or so just to play it safe. I don't want to overdo it, and I don't want to underdo it as well. So I want to make sure that those knots, as you can see, are good and light. And you could still see a little bit. It's only because you're seeing the actual lace is where the hair was pulled through. But against a wig cap or against your own scalp or however you do it, I apply this right to my own hair, my natural hair on the top. It's virtually undetectable. There's nobody really, unless if I tell them, no one knows I'm even wearing one, and it's kind of cool. So I'm pretty pleased with it. It took me about 10 minutes altogether with the process. So thank you so much, everyone, for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care.